Yeah, you know you bad, I know that too. Bust down. You fucking with me, that's a whole mood. Bust down. And you know I eat it up like it's good food. Bust down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning to my channel, hey fam. So today I got some in the mail today. I got some in the mail today. So today we just gonna hop into it. So I have just began to start a new business, and I'm going to open up my first package for you guys. Well, I guess I'm lying. It's not my first package, but it's my first package of merch. And I'm so excited. Like, what the heck? Like, this can either go bad or this can go like really, really good. And I'm so excited for you guys to see it with me. So I'm launching a business soon, and it's called Exotic Lookz. And when you think of exotic, you think unique. And everybody is unique in their own way. Period, point blank. Everybody is unique in their own way. It stinks. I don't know why it smells like that, but I don't like the way it smells. But let's see. Get right into this. I don't want this to be a long video, but back to my business. Yes, I'm launching a cosmetic line, and my cosmetic line, the things that I want to start off with are lip glosses, lip scrubs, and eyelashes. So this today is eyelashes that I received in the mail. And y'all, finding a vendor is no joke. Like, it's no joke. And I'm being honest. It's hard. But, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. So here's one package. Okay. Here's another one. Oh wait. Another one, yeah. Another one. And then here is these up. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so freaking nervous. I'm so nervous. Lyric, please exit real quick. Look, your daddy at the door. I'm so sorry, guys, but I had to do a voiceover. I'm so sorry. My daughter was just too loud for me, and I wanted you guys to be able to understand what I was doing and to actually be able to hear me, not her. So right now I'm just looking at the lashes, and they are so freaking gorgeous. Like, I'm just at a stand shock. Like, look at that. Right here, I'm just trying to open the package without like making any cracks in it. But bro, look at them. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Exotic. Yes. That is freaking bomb. That is so bomb. Oh my gosh. So guys, right here, I'm just looking at the different styles, trying to figure out which ones are which. These ones right here that I'm going to show you guys are a different style. And look how they look. They are so cute. Like, I'm so in love with them. Yay! Like, I'm literally so in love. Right here, I'm just continuously like looking and see exactly what I have in there. I'm just trying to see which ones are which because there is so many. Like, there's so many of them. Guys, I am so in love with these lashes. Like, it's crazy. But I was talking about the packaging right there. Like, I don't like them. But look at these ones. Oh my gosh. They are so cute. Yes. They are giving me vibes, honey, vibes. So, but we are going to have to scratch this packaging and redo my packaging. So that will be in another video. But yes, I am obsessed with my lashes. Like, I damn near don't. I barely want to sell them now. Like, they are so dope. Like, I like them so much. And I'm pretty sure all of my customers will love them. Look at these ones, guys. They kind of mimic the ones before, but they're a little bit shorter. So some girls like theirs dramatic, and some girls like theirs to look more natural looking. So I kind of just tried to make it go with both. I wanted them to get a little bit of dramatic feel, but with a normal touch to it. So right here, I'm just trying to find another one because, like I told you guys, there's 5 of them and there are so many boxes. And when they send them in the boxes, they kind of come upside down. Some of them come right side up, but a lot of them were upside down. So I had to literally go through all of them and take them out and put them back in just to make them look good or like look the way that they're supposed to. This is another pair for my natural girls. Bomb. Bomb. Okay. I'm sorry that all my packages, you can't see them, but they're down there. And right now we're going to get into this other package that I got from my girl stylist. Like, she is so dope. She has a website. I will drop her website down below, and she sells clothes. And when I tell you her clothes are dope, you will want them. You have to check out her site. Like, period, sis. But I ordered a pair of leggings from her, and they're the butt leggings. Look at me struggling to open this package. Right now, I'm just taking a look at her card, and it's so cute. Look, guys. So cute. Let's pull these leggings out. Baby, no, we be liking our booties to pop. I love the material. They are so stretchy. They run sizes small to medium, large to extra large. Look at her tag. Who you know got they picture on their tag? Don't worry, I'll wait.
I feel like I had to. Yeah. You know you bad, I know that too. Bust down. You fucking with me, that's a whole mood. Bust down. And you know I eat it up like it's good food. Bust down. Hold up, let me show you some little baby.
She independent and she bad too. Girl, I like your swag and your tattoos. Pull up to the scene, shawty bad news. It was only right like I had to. And I ain't even had to ask for it. Shawty gave it to me like I asked for it. She told
To show y'all a little bit of unboxing of how my business is starting. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, babe.